Today I'm going to be reviewing FIFINE's A6T AmpliGame mic. This is a USB mic. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is the second review I've done. Let's take this out of the box. Let's see what we got. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay, so I just set this up. Just so you know, I've got my XLR mic. This is a USB mic only. It's very light. Just so you know, what I like about FIFINE is you get everything you need. Get the wind guard here, get the mic, even get the shock mount, and as you see here, you get a scissor boom for the mic. I mean, what else can you ask for? So before we go any further, what I'm going to do, you can hear me now. I'm going to put this in. Now, I'm not going to run it through filters and all of that, so it may not sound as rich as it does using my soundboard, but this is easy. This is plug and play USB. You just plug in the cord into your laptop, into your PC. Let's put this in. Let's get me talking on this, and then we can go over the features. So here we go. I got the mic set up. As you can see, I've got the scissor stand right here. We got everything. I am plugged in through USB. It's got the wind guard already on here. So nice that everything is there. It also has a quick mute right up here. Also really nice on the bottom here. This is going to be your gain. So I'm using OBS. I'm not going to adjust this right now. I already adjusted it. So what you don't want is it to blow up red. So basically when you're at your loudest, you want to see it hit red. So if you have some way to see it through OBS or whatever, you can kind of see where it's set. Otherwise, it's going to sound not very good, but you've got easy access to that. With FIFINE, you get everything that you need with it. So it's a great mic to start off with, and they have other ones you can upgrade as you get more into streaming. The other thing I really like is this does well on Amazon. It's got 4.6 stars, over 9,500 plus reviews. So people are buying it. And last month, November 2025, over 3,000 of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.